take a look now. This should be accurate. We're seeing, of course, multiple head and shoulders. We just took a glimpse when we focused out on this. And you can see you have double inverted heads. You can see big neckline here, and we're having double inverted heads. Now this is not of any relevance to us. The important thing is that we're going to either this neckline in level 3 targeting or that other higher neckline. I believe we're going to the higher neckline, so take the best, of course, not 90 but 99 and 1.02. So now we have a motive wave labeled here. It's very clear that the top of ones have been respected, and therefore, because even the internal top of ones have been respected, you have a confirmation that this market is going to test that neckline at 0.9 and even higher 0.99 and 1.02. Of course, a picture speaks 1,000 words, like they say, and you can see that you have a wave 4 bounce at the top of a level 1. This definitely was a wave 3, very strong rise. The correction is now correct. It's completely correctly segregated. This market just did, we have now a different color because this is a wave 5. This unfolding out in white. We will have all the internal labels in yellow. So we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is high degree, internal degree 1 and 2, 5 here in white. This is internal degree 2, definitely. The bounce even internally comes 1, 2 on top of an internal 1, 2, which is should be very correct or realistic. Wave 3 comes at that neckline. Now this bounce is valid. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to be doing this 3 here, should be in yellow at that neckline. So if you're already long in the market, your most immediate target is going to be 0.92. All right, and at that point we're going to have a correction into 4. You have to realize or take it into consideration, most probably. Of course, you're seeing two necklines. We know these types of corrections either would bounce 50% between the two necklines. You have a neckline here and a neckline here. You bounce 50% between the two necklines. Cycle-wise, you're bouncing at 0.85 or 0.86. Possible to go all the way down to the top of 1 and bounce at 0.80. So we make another entry. This time we take it to wave 5. Alright, this is of course going to be double wave 5, a 5 in yellow and a 5 in white. And the target for this is 127 or 138.2% above wave 3. We know there's a very strong neckline here anyway, so the target is 1.03. We no longer have this. All the rest to it. 161.8% takes you to 110. But if you're going to go to 110, remember you will have to break out of this neckline. It looks very strong neckline. Doesn't look like it's going to break out anytime soon, but we have a neckline at 110, of course. Don't think it's going to break out that easy anyway, so it's really everyone in their own projections. Okay, so to recap, if you are not already in the market, you'd want to join the market if you're really into trading Ripple and you are comfortable with it and know all the ins and outs and how it works. You can just buy market because this is going to be moving higher like all other cryptocurrencies. Market is currently 0.8 or 0.7910. We just have to have a stop below level internal level 2 and high degree level 2. Remember, this is a 1, 2, but you're saying is a 3. You should not break below that yellow 2. In reality, your stop could even rise all the way to 0.7, 10 cents stop, but we would just want to stay out of the whipsaw, so let's take it to 0.65. Should be okay below this internal level 1. But in reality, this is a 1, 2, a 3. Any 4 actually should not fall below level 1, let alone fall below level 2 in yellow. So this is a solid entry, this is a solid stop. First target again is going to be that neckline with level 3, 0.92, and then we re-enter the market 50% between the two necklines shown here. Enter the market, re-enter, that is at 0.86 or 0.85. There's possibility to test level 1 again because this becomes a level 3 and the level 4 can test level 1. So if you're buying 85 and 86, you know you can fall all the way to 80 and 81. Alright, buying 85 and 86, which just have a stop below that below this neckline, below level 1 at 76. And next time we take this 85 or 86 all the way to level 5 at 1.03.